Hi, Darla DeMauro from Heartwork Organizing, and I wanted to take a moment before the school year started to tell you about something that my kids love and that I support my clients on. These are student planners from Order Out of Chaos. Full disclosure, I am an affiliate, but I wouldn't be talking about them if I didn't think they were great. Actually, I think they're pretty good, but my kids, who I have to tell you, their school gives them student planners, they prefer these. And so I just wanted to give you a quick tour. First of all, I think the kids like them because they have a little bit heavier cover. They are a plasticized cover. They, although I prefer 3-ring binders, I think the kids like them because these open up flat and they're pretty light. They're pretty easy to carry. They have the entire, like many planners do, they have a calendar section and they have enough for the entire academic year. There's a lot of white space, but there's also an area that they can put their after hours activities in. And let's see, what else do the kids like about them? Leslie Giselle, who is the owner of Order Out of Chaos, also provides these in 2 sizes. Let me turn this around. 2 sizes, and my kids decided which ones they wanted, and they are going to use these again this year. They're super excited about it. The back of the planner also has this plastic pocket, and she includes some tools like a sticker bookmark, and she also provides some classes that really help the kids understand how to use the planner and how to stay organized and how to build their own systems so that they can be successful throughout their academic year. So I know there's a lot of planners out there in the market, and the big takeaway really is just to find one that works for you. But if you're looking for one, if you haven't found one yet, if you are trying to give your student a jump on staying organized and maybe getting organized for the first time, I would recommend checking out these Order Out of Chaos planners, and it is www.oocplanner.com. So check it out online. There's a link also on heartworkorg.com. It's definitely worth the investment of a couple of bucks to help your student be more successful this year. Thanks.